So trucks like this, they're a task to watch. Car is kind of in the sun. It's making it dry pretty fast, and I don't have my drying aid today. People hate this method.
Same cash, it wouldn't be less than 750.
It'll be the same. Yeah, no matter what. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel, and thank you for tuning in. What? Thank you for tuning in. If you're not familiar with who I am, my name is Mo. So today I have 4 appointments. I got a wash on a lifted truck, a wash on a sedan, and then a bronze package, which is the inside and out on a truck later in the afternoon. And then late in the afternoon, I have consultation. It's a pretty easy but busy day. And y'all see I got my Mo's Mobile Detailing shirt on today. Gotta look professional today. So let's go ahead and get this video started. I had some technical difficulties. I guess the gasket in one of these went out or something. I don't know, but when I turned the pressure washer on, my hose just like shot to the ground. And then one of these were leaking. So I had to take this off and just screw it in like regular. But here's the truck. I can see layer of dirt. They had a lot of road construction going on for some months, but you can for sure see it on the hood, the layer of dirt. So we're just doing a wash. So I'm gonna go ahead and start preparing. Get my water going. I already got my pressure washer going over here. I got my stuff for the wheels already set up, my little stool to sit on. Just gotta fill my bucket up for that, and then after that, do my stuff for the foam cannons.
Out in the summer, yeah. Out in the summer, the winter don't stand no chances. Out in the summer, yeah. Out in the summer, the winter don't stand no chances.
So trucks like this, they're a task to wash. Even if it's not that dirty. Like this one is just super dusty. Sometimes, like if it's hot outside, the best thing to do is to wash it in sections. So sometimes what I would do is wash half of the truck, rinse it off, put a drying aid on it, wash the other half, and then come back, hit it with a drying aid around the whole truck again, then dry it off. This one is ceramic coated because it makes it a little easier to wash, but like I said, it's a task even if it's dusty like this.
Hotter in the summer if you ask. It get hotter in the summer, yeah. Hotter in the summer, the winter don't stand no chances. Hotter in the summer, yeah. Hotter in the summer.
Because it's ceramic coated and it's just dusty, just a simple rinse off will knock most of that dust off. And then I can just go ahead and foam it down and then start washing it.
Not a saying, not a, I'm just pushing product. I made my waves in the winter, now my
Time to do the foam.
move too swift for all the lame shit. You asking for a favor, how I know we ain't the same, bitch. Watch how I in and out lane switch. They tryna earn cheese off a cake, but they ain't Swiss.
So for this truck, I like the foam to be a little runny. I feel like when the foam is too dry, I guess, or too much foam, it just kind of, when you spray it on there, it just kind of falls off. So when it's runny, I feel like it sticks a little better. And because it's big like it is, I need it to stick longer so I have time to wash the full truck.
Look, saint versus sinners, the poor versus riches. Top ramen plate.
All right, got my large drying towel.
Had to take some losses before I saw my first winnings. Silver line grinning, poverty line thinning. My life is like a movie and the plot just thickened. Came from broken homes trying to break the old traditions. Left my old ways for my future acquisitions, I know.
I am running a little behind. So I'm already putting in the address for the next one. I was supposed to be there at 12. I'm not gonna make it there till probably like 12:30. And then the one after that is at 1:30, and then I have a consultation. So, all right, so I'm finished with this one. For anybody that do these trucks on the regular, like the lifted trucks, and I don't know how, if I did one of these every day, They take a while to clean too. Like this one, just the outside takes me about an hour and a half. And even if they dusty, they're pretty difficult to clean. Getting tire shine on these are difficult. Not difficult if you know what you're doing, but you know what I mean. But yeah, now it's on to the next one. All right, y'all, so this is the second one. I did a wash and wax on this one like I think a month ago, so I'm actually pretty excited to see how this one washes up, because I tried a new wax, actually a paste wax this time, but it's pretty dusty. But because I actually wash this one pretty often, and because I wash it often, it's a lot easier to wash. Because when the first time washing this, the wheels were tore up, somebody else was washing it, the wheels were all kicked up and stuff. And eventually over time of washing it enough, I got it to how I want it to be. But you can see that layer of dirt. And then he has to park by a tree at work, so he gets these little, things right here.
Better in the low tide, music better amplified, staying down for upsides. I know, no such thing as playing both sides. I know, life is better in the dope ride. I know, the water better in the low tide, music better amplified, staying down for upsides. I know, no such thing as playing both sides. I know, the life is better in the dope ride. I know, the water better in the low tide, music better amplified, staying down for upsides. I know.
The wax is showing a little wear and tear. It's still hydrophobic. It's more like a cheating instead of a beating. So next time I come, because I see this car probably about once a month, next time I come, I'm probably gonna put some type of maintenance spray on top. We're just gonna use a mini drying towel, this one. One of the reasons why I like the mini drying towel is that I can just hold it with one hand, like y'all see me doing right here, and dry up all the water. Ain't gotta worry about it hitting the ground or anything like that. For the trucks, I tend to use obviously the large drying towels, and for the cars, smaller cars, some sedans, I'll just whip out that mini and it'll dry up the whole thing. So the back of this car is kind of in the sun. It's making it dry pretty fast, and I don't have my drying aid today. So sometimes what I like to do, hit it with a little bit of water and then dry it off again. If you got a good drying towel, it works every time. First time this happened, but I broke this windshield. This wind deflector, I broke it. So this little piece right here broke, and the whole little spring popped off. All right, so finished with this one. This one got some swirls. It's pretty bad, and I've been trying to convince them to do like a correction, but whenever they're ready, I'm gonna go ahead and head to the next one. This one, I'm doing my bronze, so it's inside and out. I already knocked out the inside. I'm running behind. I'm probably like an hour or so behind from where I'm supposed to be at. But yeah, so the front has PPF, so it makes it super easy to clean. Time for my favorite part, tire shine. Gonna spray it on. People hate this method. Spray the rest. We're gonna get the overspray on the wheels and wipe in the rest. That's pretty much it. I like to spray inside the fender wells too, man. I know a lot of people don't do that, but I do it. I do it because I saw my dad do it one time. Finish with this one. Off to the next one. Almost feels like overspray in a way. Yeah, it looks good. Looks way better. Yep. I think it's gonna make a dramatic difference. Won't get rid of like stuff like this, like those little
holes.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, that's like a defect in the trunk or the original paint.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's not perfect.
But I mean, it's gonna. I feel like it definitely does shine a little different. It's not a little hazy right here. Right here's a little shiny.
So if I decide, do I just have to call you and say?
Yeah, you just let me know. You can text me, call me.
Okay.
If you call, a lot of times if I don't answer, I probably send you a text message. But when
So if I paid cash, it wouldn't be less than $750?
It'd be the same. Yeah, no matter what, I report it. Yeah. It's not, it's really, it's the time. It takes time to do it. Yeah. That's all it is.
Yeah, but you can imagine if you had, I mean, if you didn't have the louvers, and you didn't have the convertible top, it'd be a lot more. And how do you get around these, like, numbers?
The letters?
Around here, yeah.
The smaller one. So the smaller one, that's what I got that one for. I get around here. Sometimes I'll get as best that I can without having to like remove that. Oh yeah. So that's what that smaller one is there for. Then it comes in handy, man. I bought that polisher.